Imagine yourself in this Toyota 2012 Tacoma PreRunner Crew Cab pickup. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include convenience package, 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, AM/FM CD with 7 speakers, CD player, MP3 decoder, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.